Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to How It's Designed. And in this Solidworks tutorial, this is going to be just a beginner video on how to change and modify your units of measurement in Solidworks. So we're going to go with this example sketch. And you can see here we have some dual dimensions turned on, inches and millimeters. We got 2 decimal place precision. And we can mess with those settings. If you go down to the lower right where it's IPS, you can change to, you can leave it as inch, pound, or second, or you can switch to metric, millimeter, gram, second. And there's more advanced settings if you go to edit document units. So let's just first see what happens when we switch to millimeters. So now both units are all in millimeters. If we switch back to inches, you can see in the brackets is the reference millimeters, metric dimension, and then if we open up our advanced settings, we can change our unit system here as well. We can change our dual dimension to all kinds of things, and we can change our precision here as well. If we go to our dimensions tab, we can choose the drafting standard, to ANSI if we want. You're gonna have to decide in your engineering department which standard you want. Change that back to ISO. Annotations, we can change the font and size of the text on the dimensions. We can make it bigger if we want. All kinds of helpful things in here, especially crucial on drawings. So we can change our precision to 3 decimal places if we want. You can see it updates. We can click this box for dual dimensions. That'll give us our metric unit as well. So if you're dealing with suppliers over in Asia or something, it's very helpful to have the dual dimensions turned on in your parts and drawings. All kinds of things in here though. Change your angle settings. So those are just the basic unit settings for SolidWorks. We'll get into more of the advanced stuff in future videos, of course. But we'll just cover that for now. Definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel and visit howitsdesign.com for more content. We will catch you later.